Whoa. Hi.
What are we doing today?
So today we are making a fall experiment.
Yes. All right.
So this is we need this.
Yes.
Baking soda, some popcorn, and some. It's called vinegar. Yeah. Vinegar.
Yes. All right. So we gotta pour the vinegar, right?
Yes.
Go put it.
Oh no.
Yeah. So we just have to wait. Pour a little bit more.
But that's what we're not gonna do.
No. All right, and see how they dance. Go ahead. Pour. Ooh, look, they already started. Look, they started.
Ah.
They started. Put more.
A little more.
Put more. Look how it's floating.
Oh.
So just wait a little bit and then they all are going to start to float. This is a great experiment to do at home with your preschoolers. And just
I see them.
let them stare at this and enjoy the little floating popcorn.
Looks like
So it takes time for them to start floating. About a couple minutes. But this is great.
oh, they're going down.
Now they're going down. Alright, for this experiment, you're gonna need a pumpkin. So we have a pumpkin here.
I painted it.
Yes.
And my
And-
mom made a face.
Yeah, and then you need a baking soda and vinegar.
Funny, look, that's a tooth.
And it's a tooth. Yes. So we try to make him a little too. And then here, you gotta clean it. Okay. So there's nothing left, no seeds.
So we put the baking soda?
Hold on. So now put the baking soda first.
Oh, baking soda?
Yeah, baking soda. Put a lot. Because with this one you want, when you put the vinegar, you want the vinegar to explode everywhere. Let me see. Let me see how much you're putting. Okay, that's good, that's good. Okay, let's move it a little bit so it doesn't.
Oh no, it's gonna come out here.
That's the whole point. So we poured the vinegar inside the glass. Now we're gonna put it there. Wait. Yeah, you need to take position. Okay, be careful. Go ahead. Pour it all of it.
Oh no. Whoa.
Supposed to come out of the eyes too. Supposed to come out of the eyes.
Okay.
You didn't put enough of this. No, put enough of this. Put a lot. Pour a lot.
Just flowing up.
It's coming up. It's supposed to come. I guess you gotta poke the eyes more so it comes out. But hey, kind of a success.
I guess. Use popcorn.
Drop of food coloring. It's enough. So we put some baking soda around the eyes and the mouth. Alright, try again. I'm gonna try this time.
Whoa! It turned out blue.
Yeah. The eyes, no. I guess you can stuff it